You are going to love the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.